Today's video is brought to you by CarLock, the world's best vehicle tracker and alert system. With CarLock, you'll be able to track your car real time, get alerts of anything suspicious happening to your car, such as your car is starting when it shouldn't be starting, any vibrations. Also, if someone decides to unplug your car lock from your car, you'll get a notification for that too. You deserve that peace of mind, and make sure you get your car lock. I do have a discount code for you guys shown on the screen right now. Get 10% off your purchase, as well as 14 days free trial with it as well with that same discount code, man. Get your car lock. You deserve that peace of mind. Let's go ahead and get it to the video. YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning into this video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you do me a huge favor and make sure you go ahead, lock in, subscribe to the channel. We want you here for the long haul. And also I want to thank everyone that has already done that, but we're not going to hold you too long. Let's go and get into the topic of today's video. So if you've been watching the channel, you know that I recently upgraded my exhaust. Well, it's not as recent right now. It's probably been a few months since I've done it, and I've been long overdue to get this video done. I've got the Mbrp full 3-inch race CatBack exhaust, carbon fiber tips, 5-inch carbon fiber tips, 3-inch all the way through, no mufflers, resonators, but surprisingly we don't have drone on this system, so I talked about it in a couple of my other videos. But I want to give a video which gives you the true sound of this. As I was doing research for what exhaust system I wanted to get, I know a lot of people ask me how does it sound, and things like that, but I didn't see a lot of clips with a lot of different sounds on it. I know Mbrp has their clips of it and things like that, but I want to give like everything, like revs, startups, all that type of stuff. So you're going to get that on this video. Pure exhaust sounds, little to no talking. Well, little talking because I'm talking now. So let's go and get into it, man. Let's go ahead and get you guys some good sound clips. right, guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. Really short video here. Just wanted to show you guys the sound of the exhaust on this amazing Catback. I love the sound of it. I know typically videos do not, you know, do their justice, but hopefully this does help you out if you want to know a little bit more of how this exhaust sounds. I think I described it on some of my other videos. It's like a really smooth sound. It's a really clean sound. And as far as the price of this particular Catback, you can't go wrong with this. It's not as expensive as the Corsa Streams and the Boiler Attacks. I can't talk there. But as far as the sound is really, really good on this, man. You can't go wrong with it at all. So I just want to give you that sound clip of the car and all that type of stuff. Try to get you a little bit of interior as well. So if there's something you wanted to hear or you have any questions about this particular exhaust, feel free to drop something in the comments below. I'll be sure to get back to you. As always, thank you for tuning in. We'll catch you on the next video. We're out. Cut it.